If you play a role to ensure the success of your organization, you must master digital disruption. Think for a moment about the big disruptors. What Apple did to BlackBerry, or what Netflix did to Blockbusters, or what Amazon did to Borders, or what Cisco did to AT&T, or what Tesla's doing to the automotive industry, or what Airbnb is doing to the hotel industry. In each of these successful companies, they deployed digital technology to drive industry disruption. And what we know is you too must transform to stay in the game, because the fall can be swift and painful. Think for a moment about how Netflix, with new streaming technology, disrupted the entire industry and took Blockbusters, a $5 billion company in 2007, to bankruptcy 5 years later in 2012. And what we know is about half of the Standard & Poor 500 companies are said to be replaced in the next decade as a result of disruption. But the good news is technology will help you transform. But which technology? I've identified 8 digital technology disruptors. I'd just like to mention them to you. Digital communities, artificial intelligence and machine learning, the Internet of Things, blockchain, the metaverse, low-code, no-code, 5G, and quantum computing. Now, which of these technologies is the right one for you, and how do you deploy it effectively? There's only one of these technologies that's rather unique from all the rest, in that it is both a technology as well as a channel, and that is the metaverse. Because the metaverse is a technology platform where you can build metaverse applications, but it's also an entirely new channel to market, sell, and service your products in the future in a 3D world. In closing, digital technology disruption is critical to the future of every organization. That's why I created the Disruptive Technology Workshop. This workshop is free of charge and takes place weekly. To secure your participation at an upcoming Disruptive Technology Workshop, please click on the link below.